Hello everyone, welcome to Shandong Longze machine. Today we made an examination and a test for our new design and complete hammer mill system. As you know, in the market, when clients use wood chips and agriculture material for grinding work, usually those materials contain some sand and stone. If those sand and stone goes into the hammer mill or goes into pellet machine, it will damage the machine. So in order to solve this problem, our new design has a function of separation those sand and stone. Now I will introduce to you one by one of the complete unit of our hammer mill system. The first one, you saw that it's at 6 meters screw conveyor. The diameter for this screw conveyor is 325 millimeters. It's a kind of a U-shape screw conveyor, so it will be easy for you to do the maintenance work if any blockage problem happens. And over here, we also have a 1 cubic meters hopper, so for short storage the materials. And please follow me. The very important part, our screw conveyor connect our hammer mill directly, and this special device is our new design. It can separate the sand and the stone from the material. So the clean material goes into our hammer mill. The hammer mill with a 55 kilowatt electric motor, and the capacity is 1 to 2 tons per hour. And over here you can see that connection to this hammer mill system, we have a cyclone for collection the dust and the grinding material. And over here is the airlock to avoid the wind goes into the cyclone. And over here we also have a grinding material collection hopper. So this hopper will directly connection with a screw conveyor to our pellet machine. The whole system, including the feeding part to the hammer mill, the collection part to the pellet machine, it's all connected. So it avoids the dust pollution problem. So to make sure that your factory area is clean, no dust. And over here you can see that this one is a 7.5 kilowatt fan blower, and our hammer mill system we use a negative pressure system. And over here you also can see that this one is an 30 hose dust collector, and this dust collector can collection the very fine dust from the grinding material. Okay everyone, if you like Longze new design, complete new system hammer mill, please send your inquiry. Trust Longze machine, trust Longze quality. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.